We have here problem number 8 from section 10.6 in the book. In this problem we have two segments related to a circle. They're both secant segments because they have one endpoint on the circle and the other endpoint is outside of the circle. And because we have two secant segments, we can use theorem 10.15 from the book, which says that the external segment times the secant segment is going to equal the external segment times the secant segment for the other one. So what we can do here is set up an equation looking at the first secant segment, the secant segment right here. The external segment is 4, and the entire secant segment is going to be the whole thing, which would be 4 plus 5, or 9 as I have here. And for the other one, the external segment is going to be x minus 2, and the whole thing added together would be x minus 2 plus x plus 4. At this point, to solve for x, the first thing we would want to do is simplify this group here, and then we would expand it. We would end up with a quadratic when we multiply the x minus 2 times the 2x plus 2, and we would set that equal to 0. At that point, there might be some simplifying that you might want to do before you factor and solve for x. Keep in mind when you get a value for x or multiple values for x, since this is a quadratic, that this x is a part of a distance, and you want to plug your answers in and make sure that they actually make sense in the problem that was given.